Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to increase and decrease the word spacing of a button text in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and here we have simply created a section having two columns. So basically it is a grid layout section, right? And in the first column we have simply added a container with a background image. Now what we are going to do is add a button widget in this particular container, and for adding a button widget you just need to click on the add element button present in the black header line on the top. So I've simply clicked on that, and in the left side toolbar we will simply search for button widget and drag and drop this button widget into the first container, the first column. Okay, now what we want to do is we just want to change the word spacing, right? We just want to increase and decrease the word spacing of this button text in the button over here, right? So for editing the button you just need to move your cursor over the button and you will see the pen icon in the top right corner. You can simply click on that, and in the left side toolbar you will find three kinds of setting: the content setting, style setting, and the advanced setting. You just need to move to the style setting. Okay, and here in the style setting you will find the typography setting. You just need to edit this typography setting by clicking on the pen icon in the front of typography, and here you need to scroll down. Okay, and you will find the word spacing settings, and here you can simply drag and drop, you can simply increase and decrease the word spacing. Okay, so this is how you can simply increase and decrease this word spacing of the button text in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.